Namamala ka.
Bro! So you guys have some like a special someone, may special someone na pa?
Well,
Define special someone.
Okay, okay.
DLSU tumapo ba?
Ano? Map po ah?
Or ni mo? Tara na nga, lakad na tayo.
Pero wait lang, may KitKat ako. Since malapit na Valentine, you want to give this to people na na-encounter natin on the road?
Wala ako ka Valentine's eh.
Okay lang, cutie pie ka naman.
Let's go!
Guys, so before our walk,
6 na klaseng KitKat na ibibigay namin.
we're gonna give this to whoever.
Madaanan namin. Madaanan namin mga viewers. Ayun na ba kayo this Valentine's?
Yes.
Pares kami no? Ano really like meron kayong special sa amin? Kasi meron kayong pagpipilian dito.
You guys can choose kung ano pinaka-prefer nyo or
Bestie.
bestie.
Ay, no.
Okay.
Wait, relate.
Okay.
Next one.
What do you guys think about the package?
Bagay na bagay for Valentine's.
So guys, since isa lang tayo may special someone, we're gonna give another one for your special someone. You can give this Valentine's Day. So, you guys,
Okay guys, tapos na kami dito. Mapuha naman next. Swap to Mapuha right now guys. Guys, dahil Valentine's na magpa-Valentine's counter tayo. Believe in love raw. Valentine's counter 1. Saan tayo dadaan?
I think ito muna, friend. Tayo dito.
Namamala kami. Doon?
You might be wondering ba't may map kami.
Mapuha kasi ito rin.
Ano ba? Pansin ko yun!
Valentine's counter 2. Heart yata yun eh. Mr. Tuchara, may special someone sa this Valentine's. Meron.
Sino kong special na si Shuri? Ay, kumandi ba?
Sino special someone mo?
My mom, friend.
Ay, mahal mo yung nanay mo.
Congratulations!
Valentine's counter 3. Kasi my heart kasi. Nasa UP na tayo.
Alam ko maglalaro tayo dito sa...
Diretso.
Dito tayo diretso. Guys, anong isda na mamatay? Edi, daing! Hey guys, so our second encounter. What's your name?
Carla po.
Carla. So Carla, are you ready for this Valentine's?
Yes po.
Ready na guys? We have a special someone for this Valentine's. Meron ka bang special someone?
Ay, wala answer.
Meron. Papapili kami ng KitKat for you.
Paano yung pinaka-trip mong design?
Ito po.
Yes.
The best.
Bestie kasi sila.
Ay,
Best ba? Hindi.
alam na ba nila?
Okay. Sakto like pwede na. Pwede dyan.
Actually, pwede.
Kasi like friend zone eh, pero...
Hindi ka pa actually magpili ng isa pa for your Valentine's.
Cute ba siya? Cute ba siya?
Cute. Pwede.
Sige, yan na.
Cute na siya.
Tama, guys.
Thank you.
Minisi yan ngayon kasi tinawagang kids eh. Valentine's counter guys oh. I don't have anybody to watch it with. So,
Got me.
Mga Black Panther.
stop! Red light!
Oro! Green light guys, let's go! Intramuros guys, we are here.
Hey guys, so I'm here with Nita. Happy na mag-Valentine's. Are you ready for Valentine's? Ready? Parang may special someone.
Wala na lang makakasama.
Nakakasaro lang. Pero yun nga, dahil malapit na Valentine's, meron tayo dito.
KitKat!
Pwede akong pumili kung may natripan ka. So,
Sa inyo, ito yung
Meron siyang crush oh.
Crush, saktong-sakto, may crush guys.
may pangbigay na siya sa Valentine's Day. So what do you...
Solid guys.
So, nasaan na yung mapa mo?
Here. If we started here,
Ito kasi like parang kamukha niya.
Ito makuha.
So may namit ulit the viewer. Tama-tama. May natitira pa.
Dami ba?
Ready ka na ba this Valentine's?
Okay, ready naman. Kasama yung mga friends.
ito crush, okay. Second chance guys, second chance. What do you think about the packaging?
Ito naman po.
Unique. Okay. Crush. Okay.
May pangbigay ka na for February 14.
Yes, ano name nyo guys?
My name is Ernest Liñan.
Harley from
Sakto lahat sila from Mapua.
We actually went from Lasal to Mapua today.
Wow, pinasintain niya na.
Let's go there.
Ayun, dyan mo.
Are you guys ready for this Valentine's? Yeah. Ready? Let's see now. Okay. Do you guys have some special someone? May special someone?
Define special someone.
Anyone that you find na you're very close with?
I mean for Valentine's, yeah.
Meron naman.
Meron?
Okay, Mazero. Very good.
Tama.
Ay, thank you! Sakto. Tama. Kaya na bahala kung ano pipiliin.
Tig-isa na lang kayo, guys.
Ay, nakuha na.
Paunahan.
Cutie pie na lang kasi cutie pie.
Patingin ko ng cutie pie. I love
reaction
very
mo?
much. I love very much.
Well, this is very unique since this is my first encounter to see a new design for KitKat.
This one, KitKat.
May early access sila.
May pambigay na kayo for Feb 14. Guys, thank you. Yan, let's ito mapuha.
Sakto sir.
Mas wala kami ka-Valentine.
Pero kayo na naka-Valentine to. Grabe ang sakto sila. We're gonna try the KitKat right now.
Gusto mo?
Really good, guys. You guys already know the joke. Comment down below where to next. From DLSC to where?
Hey guys, happy Valentine's sa mga may jowa dyan.
Sana all, guys. Sana all. Bye, guys.